This has been a crazy week. We've been playing catch up the whole time. I don't know what it is, but it feels like we are all procrastinators in our group. So ultimately, we don't have anyone to blame but ourselves. The tests were fun though. We almost got Dave. At least we splashed some water on him. We got all of what we had posted, which wasn't everything, but at least what I did this week was a lot. I went on YouTube thinking I could just send myself links to the clips I wanted to use and then just drag and drop what I needed. Well, that could not have been further from the truth. I got to class an hour and a half early thinking I should be able to do it. Well, the truth was worse. After about trying for 20 minutes, I finally got the huevos to ask Dave. Then once we figured out something that worked, it still took forever. But at least we got a viable converter for the videos. While the videos were being converted, we went outside to do the actual soak to teach test. No one had a direct hit, but we got close. After a soak to teach, we went back and watched the MMPs. Except for ours, of course. Then we continued to work on it, and finally Dave kicked. The next class was my interview. It went okay once Dave made it apparent exactly what he wanted, and I got it. The graph this time was good for me. I got it on the first try. After my interview, I went back to the MMP. It was my anniversary, so I needed to leave and ask Dave and Perla to finish it up. Dan and Perla. What am I thinking? What I learned this week has not so much to do with physics and more to do with life. I didn't jump right in the MMP because I thought it would be easy to do. That was a big mistake. Murphy's Law took full effect in this problem, but eventually I worked it out. Also, I learned how to get clips from YouTube. It sounds like an easy thing, an easy enough premise, but it is not as straightforward as it seems it should be. I did get it, and now I will always be able to use that skill. What I still want is to get a jump on the new project. We are already going to be a few days short, and I would like to make use of my time. I also need to get feedback on our first Tim. I feel like we should have gotten it already. Maybe Dave has been busy. I know there is stuff we need to fix, and I would like to put a quality of product. I also need to get the MMP done and posted soon. I promise. Well, at least it's all behind us now. The testing was really fun, and the MMPs were great. We really have a great class. We all get along and support each other as we are in the same group. I know there are things missing on our newest Tim, and we will get them up. Until then, at least we turned in something. But, is it better turning something unfinished, or is it better to turn it in late?